We are pleased to have you join us. Before we begin, I would like to introduce the dignitaries seated on the dais. We would like to welcome the leadership team of Ardee Industries and the banker who has played a key role in the company's IPO. Mr. Sandeep Aggarwal, Chairman and Managing Director, Ardee Industries, Mr. Aggarwal, Whole-Time Director, and Mr. Arun Kumar Malik, Chief Financial Officer, along with Mr. Nikhil Jaju, Senior Vice President, Investment Banking, Pantone Capital Advisors Private Limited. Without further ado, we would now like to commence today's session, and I request Mr. Nikhil Jaju to address the gathering with the opening remarks.
Good afternoon all. Thank you for joining this afternoon for the meet of Ardee Industries IPO. It's a 426 crore rupees IPO, opening on 5th of August and closing on 7th of August. And I would like to invite Mr. Sandeep Aggarwal to deliver his opening remarks.
Welcome to all. I am Sandeep Aggarwal, Managing Director of Ardee Industries, having 30 years plus experience in this industry. We are basically lead recycling company based at Tirupati. Our business model is to procure all type of lead scrap and convert it into the pure lead and lead alloy. We are one of the few brands in India having LME and NCS registration. Thank you. And we would like to show one presentation.
I'm Nikhil Aggarwal, Whole-Time Director of Ardee Industries. I'd like to take you through our company briefly with a short presentation. These are the presenters, Mr. Sandeep Aggarwal, Chairman and Managing Director, myself, Nikhil Aggarwal, and our CFO, Mr. Arun Kumar Malik. So, Ardee Industries is one of the leading players in India who is in the circular economy space, a well-known brand specializing in lead acid battery and lead scrap recycling. Our focus is on reclaiming critical minerals from various waste streams and scrap. Our company's key products are pure lead and lead alloys. Our installed capacity as on date stands at 1,56,000 tons. Our company exports products to over 8 countries, and we have over 50 plus clients. As of last year, we closed 1167 crores of top line, and various industrial applications like metal coatings and cable sheetings. Our export presence is strong and growing. Our acceptability of product has been good across 8 plus countries, and we continue to expand our presence. Our facility is a zero discharge plant, and it's a fully ISO certified facility. About our journey, FY21 is when we acquired the unit and started manufacturing the same year. FY22-23, the highlight was the MCX brand registration which came in. FY25, we increased our capacities from 54,000 to 1 lakh tons. FY26, हम लोगों का RD led LME approval आया, which was a major milestone हमारे लिए, as we were working on this for over 2 years. It takes a very long time with a lot of quality efforts. London Metal Exchange has approved RD lead 99997, and हमारे को DGFT ने 3-star export house भी they've given us a certificate seeing our good track record in the last 3 years in exports. Our business model is such that basically we are procuring various lead scraps and lead batteries from all over the world, from 50 plus countries, bringing it to our facility. As we saw the 3 stages of process in the video, that happens. Finally, it is casted into ingots and given back to battery manufacturers. It's a complete circular economy that we are in, and our product line is divided into 2, out of which around 659 crores top line came in from pure lead, and 321 came in from lead alloys. Lead alloys are value-added products where we end up commanding a better than commodity price margins. Lead ingot market size, basically the industry is growing by 6 to 7%. Key drivers for the industry are high demand for lead acid batteries. Seeing the recyclability of this product, the companies are very much interested to use secondary lead, and the government's norms for EPR and BWMR, there's a big push for using recycled lead. There's abundance of battery scrap available in India, which is now being channelized towards the organized sector as players come up. Cost effectiveness of recycled lead over primary lead is also there, apart from the carbon emission benefit. Lead acid battery market, lead acid battery का market भी around 7 to 8% पे grow कर रहा है. The key drivers for this are the automotive growth that we all see, rapid adoption of e-rickshaws and EVs, where lead acid batteries are still used in as auxiliary functions. For the government's push towards solar rooftops, again we see a large inflow of lead batteries over there, as all those are powered by solar rooftops along with an inverter which is connected to a lead battery. Government's regulation for the battery waste management rules, which is mandating the battery companies to source scrap from the domestic market and make sure it is channelized to the authorized recyclers, and we then in return would either give them the EPR credits or the lead. So this is again an opportunity. Our facility is a 7.6 acre plant in the Tirupati district in Naidupet, the area. Our capacity in FY25 was 54,000, where we made it 1 lakh tons in FY26. Then in the current financial year in May, we have added another 50,000 tons, and as on date the capacity stands at 1,56,000. Past 3 years we have invested around 57 crores in capex. Ardee's MCX and LME listing is something that gives us an edge in India, where it improves market visibility, gives us global access into certain geographies where LME registration is one of the most premium things to get for a company. It helps us improve our risk management. Ardee's debt profile has been improving year on year. As on date, as of FY25, we are at 1.25x, improved from 2.65 as of FY25. Our return on capital ratios are also growing. From the IPO, we would be repaying 20 crores of long-term debt that is on the books, making the balance sheet, reduce the interest burden on the balance sheet. Our geographical footprint is spread across 8 countries, where Southeast Asia is our prime focus. As of last year, we exported around 465 crores of products in the last financial year. The focus remains on South Korea, Japan and Singapore. This is our facility, and it's a fully ISO certified plant. We have a deep-rooted supplier network of over 50 plus countries, where it's well diversified, and we feel that whenever there is, it's a scrap item, so there is sometimes we need to be flexible in terms of which geographies we're procuring from. So the 50 plus network, which has been increasing year on year, is something that is one of our strengths. We are approved by large OEMs across the world for supply of lead to their facilities. These approvals take very long time as per industry standard, and now that we have these approvals, we feel this is a good platform for growth. From the chart we can see on a year-on-year basis, our absolute production has been increasing from 32,000 in FY24. Today we are sitting at 69,000 as of end of FY26. Our customer base as on date is 50 plus customers, and as on date we have 36 plus repeat customers. Our customer concentration also has come down from 72% to 40% for the top customer. So as we grow and we add new customers, and this would strengthen our overall customer base. This is a brief about the management team and the promoters. This is the board of directors. 3 independent directors are there. Mrs. Archana Jain, Mr. Anand Tandon and Vivek Sarabhai from various different backgrounds. This is a glimpse of the past 3 years' performance. As on date, we did around 1167 crores of top line, 147 crores of EBITDA, and 84.6 crores of PAT. Our volume is increasing year on year as acceptability of our products and OEM approvals come in, as well as we scale the facility, our gross margins per ton have also been increasing. This is all because of operational efficiency, better sourcing, more scrap sourcing from various countries. This is about the issue. We are raising around 425.9 crores of money from the IPO. 320 crores is fresh issue. Going towards working capital, for 220 crores is working capital, 20 crores is debt repayment, and balance is general corporate purpose. Working capital will be used to fund and strengthen our supply chain as we scale further. Thank you.
Thank you, CMD. Now the floor is open for questions.
Hello. Beyond refined lead and lead alloys, are you planning to diversify into value-added products and other non-ferrous metals?
So we are exploring few things, but as of now, nothing is concrete that we can share at this stage. We've also acquired a new land near our facility, 5.5 acres for future growth prospects.
What constitutes your export, like both in terms of sales and income?
So our export revenue is around 465 crores, and we are selling both lead alloys and pure lead in the export market.
My last question is, your end product is?
Ingots, lead ingots.
Yeah. So what should be the percentage of battery material you are sending to the market back from the batteries after recycling?
So from the batteries, basically whatever the lead content is in the batteries, we are able to recover between 80 to 90%.
Oh, that's huge.
Hi, I'm Nikunj Aggarwal, whole-time director with Ardee Industries. We are one of India's leading lead-acid battery scrap recycler. Our plant is in Tirupati district. Our company's edge are that we are one of the very few MCX and LME approved brand. Our exports are happening to over 8+ countries, and we're pretty confident, seeing our past performance, and that we would be performing on the similar lines.
What is your export?
We export around 40% of our revenue.
And you did mention that you are listed in the London Metal Exchange. So tell us about it.
So recently in December 2025, our brand Ardee got approved in the London Metal Exchange, and we have been able to get market access to various international countries. Now our products are very much more approved and easily acceptable in the foreign countries.
How are you going to use the IPO proceeds?
For the IPO, we have a 425 crores of IPO, out of which 320 crores is a fresh issue. The 320, out of that, majority 220 would be used towards further working capital for fueling the growth of the company, and 20 crores towards long-term debt repayment, and balance is general corporate purpose.
You mentioned about the supply chain improvement.
Yes.
So where exactly?
So as we are sourcing a lot of the material from international, that is around 85% raw material comes from outside. So we would be funding those imports basically with the money.